Hello and welcome to this episode of Microchipz, and today on the bench we have this President Jackson, a 5-band President Jackson, a Mark 1 I believe, it's denoted by the silver front, but don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, all that lot. Let's get started. So this is not a repair video, this is going to be a showcase of my revolutionary new board for this type of radio. Unfortunately it's only for this Jackson, but as you can see we've gone through our bands there. We've got super low, low, mid, high, super high on the 5 bands, everything working correctly, and the 10kc working on every channel as normal. So what we're going to do to this radio, we're going to put UK40 onto band E. So I've made a board that will do this, but the great thing about this board is that it requires no wires, no cut tracks. It's just basically plug in and it's working. So first off we need to take the PLL chip out. So there's our 145106, 10th week of 84 by the looks of it. And we need to plug it into this board. So here we have my new board for the Jackson 5 band, and for you people that have had boards off me before, you will notice that there is no wire connections to this. This is because it does not need wires. You just basically plug this board in and it converts band E over to UK40. So we need to plug into the PLL into my board as such. And then on the back of the board we just need to offer up the board, make sure all the pins are lined up correctly at the spacings, and the holes are a little bit bigger, so we need to give it a little wiggle. If you need to adjust the pins then do so, but get it a nice fit on the back of the board, and then when you put it on the correct side of the board everything will fit nicely. So from the component side of the board with the chips facing to the rear, we place it into the radio, into where we removed our PLL chip. So just gently wiggle it into place until you feel it drop through the board. Get the board sat up straight and level. Then we just check on the underside, make sure that our pins have all come through as such, and then we solder this into place, making sure we don't bridge any solder on the pins, making sure we don't short any pins out or anything like that. So just solder it into place as such, and that's it. Modification done. No wires, no cut tracks, no unsightly EEPROMs, no rewiring, nothing. We've just replaced band E with UK40. So I think this is a first for this type of board. So let's try it. So we switch on the radio and it's where we left it on 555, channel 12 high band. So move to channel 1 high band, you can see everything's working as it should. 10kc is working. And that works on every channel as it should. Just go down the bands, you can see super low, low, mid, high. It's working as it should do, but we move over to band E and there's our UK40. So we adjust the KC shift down to the offset and there we go, working nicely. And the 10kc works on every one of these channels as well. So it's basically take out your PLL chip, plug it into my board, put my board in its place, modification done, no other work necessary. No retuning because this already went to super high band, which UK40 covers that anyway, so no retuning needed, and that's it, plug and play. So all in all, very happy with how this board has turned out. It's probably going to be the easiest board to fit into a radio. I'm not sure how much demand will be for these for this board in these radios, but you know me, I like to try different things and try different ways of solving a problem. And I got this Jackson in for some work, and modified one of my boards and thought, yeah, this is a nice idea to have. Anyway, if you want one of these boards, do get in contact. It's just me transmitting on another radio. If you want one of these boards, get in contact with me through Facebook or what have you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, join Patreon, buy me a coffee, join the Facebook group. And we'll see you in the next video.